Oh, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you a method that I have been utilizing to get unlimited gems on MeChat. That is right, guys. MeChat is kind of the hottest new thing right now. If you are not on it, you should be. But MeChat has a gem system. Now, these gems cost money, just like a lot of mobile apps. But I went searching for a way that I could maybe get some gems without purchasing them. I did know that sometimes people have hacked these things or unlocked them. Sometimes there's private servers, etc., etc. I found the best option though. I found a hacked version that allows you to get as many gems as you want, whenever you want, for free. I'm talking about MeChat++. Now you can get this on the internet. You don't need jailbreak or computers or any bullcrap like that. You just need the MeChat app. I know it's pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and stop my babbling, start my explaining, start my showing, and teach you guys exactly how you can get it running on your phone as well. Let's get into it.
Alrighty, guys. So, as you can see right here, we have MeChat, gosh, I said WeChat, MeChat++ downloaded and ready to go on my iPhone 11 here. Now, the reason I'm using my iPhone 11 is just because that's the phone I have, that's the phone I run with, but I've tried this on some buddies' phones, and I can confirm that it does work on Android, it works on Google Pixels, it works on older iPhones, it works on newer iPhones, iPads, etc. It works on the works, essentially. So yeah, basically, MeChat++ is just an app. I'll show you, it's a full app you guys can mess around with. Let me go ahead and open it up. I'll kind of show you. It's gonna open you right up to the gems page. Usually, I'm already logged in with my account, so it'll make you log in with your account, and then you're gonna go straight to the gems page. As you can see, there is a normal amount of gems. I have a decent amount of gems, but there's a tab right here called Unlock Gems. So if we just go ahead and flick that switch on, as you can see, all of the gems have stayed the same. They're the same amounts, but now they are $0. So what it did was it connected to the server, and it basically made our account a moderator account. So now we have free gems. Check my gem count right here as I generate some. Now I have 1,500. Now I wouldn't recommend doing this a ton, because you might maybe get caught. Like, I think $100 is probably all I will generate today, because that is all I'm gonna need today as well, guys. So make sure that you don't go crazy with it, but I mean, you could if you wanted to, theoretically. That being said, how do you actually get this app? Well, you use these two apps. You guys are going to use Safari, and you guys are going to use Settings. Now, if you don't have Safari, that's fine. You can use any other internet browser, but I would recommend you use Safari just because it is going to be as close to what I am using as possible. And it is important to follow instructions very closely. Firstly, though, we are going to go ahead and hop into our settings. In our settings, we should have this battery section right here. Battery power, whatever. This low power mode, low battery mode, battery reserve mode, whatever it may be called on your phone, we're going to make sure that that setting is turned off. The reason why that setting needs to be turned off is because oftentimes when this setting is turned on, in order to conserve battery life, it restricts some functions of the phone. One of the functions that it likes to restrict is the function to do these external downloads, so we're going to make sure that that is covered. After that, guys, go ahead and run on over to your background app refresh in general. Almost all of the time, your background app refresh is going to be turned on because a phone's normal functions are kind of restricted when the background app refresh isn't turned on. But go ahead and make sure your background app refresh is turned on. Just triple check, because if this does not work, it's probably because your background app refresh isn't on. That being said, guys, there is literally so many apps on here that it would take all day to go through them all. It would be kind of nauseating. But luckily we don't need to. MeChat++ is right there in the M's, and we're gonna hit that install button. So that install button is going to install, or really download rather, something called a configuration profile. Now, I know the word configuration profile can be confusing. I know that usually when I bring it up with my friends, they're a little confused by it. They haven't heard about it. Now, it's a relatively new feature, but it will allow you to download apps on the internet. That's essentially what a configuration profile is. Now, just like how you have to confirm the app download on the App Store, we're gonna have to do the same on the App Build Store. So, we should be waiting on a little notification right there asking us to allow the download. We're gonna hit that allow, and then as you can see, it wants us to go to the settings app. That I'm gonna teach you to do right now. Go back into general, and fourth from the bottom, you're gonna see a tab called VPN and device management. Under downloader profiles, you'll see the profile you're looking to get. hit install on the top right, and it's going to ask you to put in a passcode. It just means your regular unlock passcode. Hit next and install 2 times. After that, hit done, because you are done. And MeChat++ is downloaded and ready to go. Enjoy, guys!